Hi, I'm back with a quick tutorial on building an AI-powered internal linking assistant to boost your ranking on search engines with ModularMind. If you have a website for your product, which you should, it is highly probable that you're sharing content to help potential customers in ways that would encourage them to try out your product or service as well. One technique to support this effort is to populate your content with internal links. The links that point the visitor to check out other content on your website, so these pages can promote each other in terms of authority. It's a daunting task, though. If you're regularly creating and updating content on your website, it can easily get out of control. After some time, you have dozens or even hundreds of articles talking about similar concepts that could boost each other by channeling the incoming traffic to each other. So let's build an assistant for that will audit your website for internal linking performance and capacity and pinpoint the opportunities for possible additions. So I want ModularMind to visit my website and find all its pages using its sitemap, then read all the articles I shared in the blog, and tell me where exactly I can insert the internal links in these posts, referring to other pages and other articles on my website. So first, let's create a stack to tell ModularMind to go and get all links to the existing pages on my website listed in its sitemap. I'll just say get the links to each page from this website using its sitemap and add a link to my web page. So let's use ModularMind's landing page for this. I'll just say it is join.modularmind.app. I'll say this one, but first let's check the sitemap of the website. As you can see, instead of directly listing all the pages under a single sitemap, they're actually categorized under additional sitemap files. So I will add an additional step to check this and visit them as well. Then list every link our assistant can find. So first I will call this one retrieve sitemap URLs. And I will add another stack and explain the situation. So if these links contain sub-sitemaps for the website, I don't know what they're called, but I think the model can understand what I mean with sitemap, and visit them and retrieve all the links for pages. Then write every link to pages in a list, including the ones that were already provided, since some or even all links that can already be present in the root sitemap file, as well as the ones you retrieved from sub-sitemaps. I'll put a semicolon to signal which data I'm talking about, and content of this green output prompt will be populated when the first tick is run, so the second step can use that information. And I will actually call this retrieve all step. And finally, I will ask ModularMind to read all the blog posts among the list of links, which will contain all the pages, and tell me about internal linking opportunities in detail. And I'll add another stack and say, visit and read every blog post in the list and write down internal linking possibilities. Again, here, the content of this prompt will be populated after the second step is complete. But here, to explain what I mean by internal linking opportunities, there is a short but comprehensive prompt I have in my library that breaks down what I want exactly. It gives instructions on how to identify the linking opportunities, internal linking opportunities, what to include, what not, and then write them in a certain format, including the link of the post, the phrase I should add a link to, and the URL of the internal page I should link to. So I will drag this prompt to the stack as an additional instruction at the end. And I will call this one find opportunities. That's it, actually. Let's just run it and see the results. I'll hover on the first stack and I click Run Chain button. So at first, it will visit the sitemap file. As you can see, it found the first 4 sub-sitemaps there. And it'll visit those ones as well, and bring me back the entire content, like under blog categories, sitemap, blog post sitemap, and etc. And actually, I have here 18 blog posts listed. And as you can see at the last stage, even though there are so many links for all the pages in the website, it actually knows which 18 links it should visit because they belong to the web page. Web pages that show the blog posts. Finally, it'll read all 18 blog posts with the website structure in mind, having all those links, to find the internal linking opportunities, and I've already started writing those out. And for example, the first one, powered agentic workflows. It says I can link that. I can add a link to another blog post starting with AI agent use cases. In this sentence, particular sentence, businesses that effectively leverage AI agents and so on. And it says the anchor text should be AI agents in this sentence, and it gives also the reason behind it, why I should do that. And it suggested actually another one in this sentence, the same blog post's name, AI-powered agentic workflows. And it says now I should link to this enterprise agentic AI blog post. And it gives suggestions for all 18 blog posts, processed in parallel and finished in, a couple of seconds, probably under a minute. So there we have it. I've shared this workflow as a template in our collection, so you don't have to build it from scratch. And of course, you can also improve it further to achieve more. For example, you can duplicate it, tell it to check the latest blog post instead of every single one of them each time, and create an auto run to run every 2 days, and notify you about the opportunities, constantly working in the background and helping you to boost your visibility on search engines. Actually, tell me in the comments, what do you have in mind? Do you know other SEO practices that you believe can be automated with ModularMind? Just share with me and I will be glad to be able to pick you. So, thank you. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you on the next one.